This is Realme 12X, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity problems on this device. So in the beginning, make sure that your system is not in the airplane or do not disturb modes, and if it is true, make sure to switch them off, since both those features prevent you from, receiving any incoming phone calls. That's what they are designed for. So once again, switch off the airplane mode and do not disturb modes. The easiest way to do that is to simply open the control panel and look for the shortcuts for them here. Or you can also do that through settings. That is entirely up to you. Then another fix we can try implementing is to switch off the phone call enhancement options such as VoLTE or Wi-Fi calling. And in order to do that, you will need to first launch your device's settings. Here enter the mobile network category, select the SIM card you are experiencing those problems with, and then scroll down and look for the VoLTE calls, toggle and switch it off, and do the same for the Wi-Fi calling. If that didn't solve your issues either, you can try to equip yourself with SIM card injection tool, like, give me a sec here, like this one for example. Then take out the SIM card and wipe its contact part with the cloth, and even better if the cloth is dipped in some kind of electronics friendly cleaning solution, or regular ethanol will do the trick. And the final advice that I have for you guys is that you directly contact your carrier or cellular network provider to check or to make sure that the issue is laying on their end rather than yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.